Ang problema ay hindi religion. It's how we use it to tear people down instead of lift them up. Let's remember that we're all here because we're bought into the mission of the organization. We're all here to not just create products, but we're here to create more jobs for the Filipinos. That has to stay bigger than our differences. Respect and kindness are not religious values. They're universal. They're human. And in times like these, leadership, whether in HR, management, or simply as a teammate, means creating spaces where we can stand firm in our beliefs and still choose to honor one another.